Hi guys, it's me Shazan. Today I'm in front of the Noor Island. It's located in Al Buhaira corner, Sharjah. I don't know what's inside, but there's a butterfly house, so let's go in and explore. These are the ticket rates and the things that you can do here, including the butterfly house. The entry fees is 50 AED for adults and 35 AED for kids up to 13 years. This place is open from 9 AM to 11 PM. Please note the place is closed on Mondays. The butterfly house closes at 6 PM. For the people living in Al-Majaz and Al-Qasimiyya, it is a very short 10-minute drive. As it was the UAE national holidays, the place was very crowded. First, we went to the butterfly house as it closes early. The butterfly house has 500 butterflies of 20 different species. It has won so many international awards. There are places with oranges and bananas for the butterflies to sit down so we can have a closer look. This is a metal structure with glass to let in the natural sunlight. I was trying to pick up a butterfly that was sitting on the leaves. Oh, look! It came on my finger! I'm so excited! Oh no! I just realized its wings are broken. People try to catch the butterflies with their wings, which damages them. We shouldn't do that. We should just give our hands or fingers so that they will come to our hand or finger naturally. Now I'm trying to get this big butterfly on my finger. I smeared some orange on my finger and held it out to the butterfly. I am really excited to see if it actually comes. Wow, it actually came on my finger. I'm really surprised. With a closer look, the butterfly's design is so intricate and detailed. When it spreads its wings, it's even blue inside. I really enjoyed this moment. I spotted 2 huge glass cases filled with cocoons. This shows the stages of butterflies. Butterflies only live for a week. You all may have learned the stages of a butterfly in school. At the entrance, there is a store which sells stuff that you can buy and the prices are mentioned. The prices were very overrated. There are some pictures that you can buy for 5 dirhams and color it there. This is a small activity for kids. There was a cafe where you could sit down and order some coffee, and the ceiling was decorated for National Day. Next, we went to the children's play area. First, I decided to try and climb on a few bars, which were really high up. This was my favorite out of all the things that I tried. This is the silk floss tree. The tree is more than 100 years old. This tree flowers between February and May. The tree stores water for dry seasons. It reaches a height of more than 25 meters. Noor Island is a heavenly place of nature where you can relax and enjoy the nature away from the busy city life. This island is a blend of art, culture, education, and entertainment. This island has won many awards for its vast collection of art, nature, crafts, and entertainment opportunities. Once a year, the island also hosts the International Storytelling Festival in both Arabic and English. The island's 3.5-kilometer long boardwalk attracts evening joggers, giving them breathtaking views. During night, the island transforms into a wonderland full of lights and sounds. When it was dark, we saw crows and we also heard a lot of birds chirping. There was a trampoline path to go to the other side. I really enjoyed that area. This is the beautiful view when we walk through the trampoline area. This is another photo point. There were so many photo points like this. I'm waiting for my turn. I took mine. There are the two large old fossil rocks standing like the guardians of the island. This is a 90-centimeter illuminated rock crystal found in Brazil in 1995. The crystal weighs more than 200 kilograms. This is the Al-Noor Mosque. It is of Turkish Ottoman design and was influenced by Sultan Ahmad Mosque in Turkey. In 2014, the mosque set a Guinness World Record for the world's largest wooden charity box for the Ramadan donation campaign. With this, I come to an end to this video. It was a wonderful evening spent with family. The climate was nice for a walk around. I really enjoyed the butterfly house. I would definitely recommend this place for people who love to spend quality time with their family. If you're watching this video without subscribing, please support me and subscribe. Thank you for watching.